number 4. So a box contains the following items. We have apple, banana, eggplant, mango, cabbage, potato, orange, grapes. So a person picks one item at random. The question is, what is the theoretical probability that the item picked is a vegetable? So step 1, we need to find first the sample space. O, ano yung choices na binigay? Okay, meaning yun po yung ilalagay natin sa loob ng sample space. At huwag kalimutan lagyan ng capital letter S. That is the sample space. Then after that, what we're going to do, we need to find the favorable outcome. And that is capital letter E. So ano po yung hinihingi sa ating question? Theoretical probability that the item's pick is a... Okay, so based on the given, ano yung mga vegetables lang dyan? Okay, so meaning, capital letter E, then sulat mo ulit yung binanggit nyo. Then after that, nakuha na po natin anak yung sample space and favorable outcome, mabilis na nating masasagot yung probability. Probability of pick or getting a vegetables. Ilan yung vegetables? 3 over? Okay, therefore the answer is 3 over 8. Do you think we can simplify 3 over 8? Okay, kung no, what we're going to do, next step, convert na lang natin. So we need to convert fraction to decimal. So again, how to convert? Divide 3 by 8. So this will become 3 divided by 8. Or 3 divided by 8. Cannot be, add 0 again. Then add decimal point. So now 30 divided by 8. 3 times 8. Then after that, subtract. So 30 minus 24, 6. So dahil may remainder pa rin, continue tayo sa pagdahad ng 0. Ha? So 60 divided by 8. 7. 7 times 8. Okay, 56. And then 60 minus 56. So may remainder pa rin, add 0. Ma'am, paano kung hindi matapos? Hanggang 3. 3 decimal numbers. And then kapag meron pa rin kasunod, round off na tayo. Ha? So 40 divided by 8. 5 times 8. 40 minus 40. Okay, so therefore the answer is 0.375 thousandths. So we can read this as 375 thousandths, THS. Kasi po, naka-decimal na siya. Okay, now, what is the equivalent in percent? Very good. So, the equivalent is 37.5%.